Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a form on PowerApps. We'll start by understanding the fundamental purpose of forms within your applications. Forms are essential for collecting and presenting information, making your apps highly interactive and user-friendly. We will then explore how to connect these forms to your data, design their layout, and finally, implement the logic for submitting and managing the data effectively. This process will empower you to build robust data entry solutions. Connecting your data source is the crucial first step in form creation. Think of your data source as the backend where all your information lives. You might choose a SharePoint list for collaborative data, an Excel table for simpler datasets, or Dataverse for enterprise-grade solutions. It's vital to ensure your chosen source has all the columns you need, as these will become the fields in your form. This connection establishes the foundation for your form's functionality. Now, let's dive into designing your form. Start by adding an edit form control to your app screen. This control is the canvas for your data entry. Next, link this form control to the data source you connected earlier. You can then easily customize which fields appear, rearrange their order, and even set default values. Don't forget to adjust visual properties like colors and fonts to match your app's branding, creating a professional and intuitive user experience. Finally, let's make your form functional by enabling data submission. You'll typically add a button control, and on its onSelect property, you'll use the Submit Form function. This action saves the data entered into your form directly to your connected data source. For different scenarios, you can use New Form to create a blank entry or Edit Form to modify existing records. Remember to incorporate validation rules to ensure the data is accurate and complete before it's saved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.